Hey guys, so today I am going to be showing you guys how to customize your lace front or your lace front wig or your lace frontal. So I'm going to show you how to go from this to this. So if you want to see how I achieve this, then keep on watching. Alright, so we're going to start off with turning our wig inside out and pinning it down with some T-pins just to make sure it's all nice and secure. Okay, so next we are going to make our mixture to bleach the knots. I am mixing some bleaching powder with some 30 volume or 9% developer. And please do wear gloves when you're doing this. I'm not sure who the hell I thought I was, but please do wear gloves as it does irritate your skin. So once I've got the nice thick consistency I want, I add in a few drops of the Adore Purple Rage just to add as a corrector and to kind of eliminate some of the orange and brassy tones that I might get when I bleach the knots. And I just mix it all together and I basically apply it using a knife. And when doing this, you don't want to push too much into the lace, otherwise it's going to bleed through and it's going to lighten your roots, which you don't want, because honestly fixing roots is such a mess. You don't want that in your life, girl. So this part is pretty tedious and pretty boring, so I'm just going to put on some nice music for y'all to enjoy while I basically just cover the whole lace with the mixture, and then I'm going to be right back. I'm done applying the mixture to the lace, I just set a timer on my phone for 30 minutes to let it all process, and then I'm just going to wash it out with these two products, a neutralizing shampoo and also a purple shampoo. So after washing out the bleach and the shampoo, I noticed that the knots on the lace didn't actually bleach thoroughly and I still had black dots on it, so I basically had to repeat the process again, and these are the results the second time round. There are no black dots, so we are ready to tweeze. Alright, so when I start plucking the hairline, what I like to do is I like to section a little part in front, which would inevitably become the baby hairs, and I like to tweeze behind those bits because you don't want to get rid of them. So what I do is I part that section off, then I tweeze it, and then I comb it through, part another section off, and then I tweeze it going backwards again. And what this does is it makes a gradient rather than going straight from baby hairs to just a big block of hair. Nobody's hair is like that. As you can see, there's a nice gradient how it fades into the hair. So I'm going to basically take little sections like that and basically do exactly the same thing. Part it, tweeze it, part it, tweeze it, part it and tweeze it. I hope that makes sense, but you guys can see what I'm doing. Okay, so I'm done tweezing this side and I'm just combing it through, and I basically repeated the same steps on the other side. And here I'm just showing you guys what it looks like. I kind of styled it a bit just to kind of see what it would look like when it's on my head. And yeah, that is basically it. Don't be scared to tweeze. That's literally how much hair I basically got out from tweezing all of that hair. So yeah, that's what it looks like. Okay, so I'm just trying on the wig now just to see what it's looking like and if I'm happy with it. I'm pretty much happy with it, so I'm just basically going to go ahead and start working on tinting the lace. And to tint the lace, I basically use the Adore semi-permanent colour in the shade Honey Brown. And I just put a little bit of that into a bowl, and then I add some boiling water and I mix it, and then I just dip the lace into this mixture and let it sit for about 5 minutes. Okay, so I'm all done with tinting. I'm just showing you guys how I'm going to cut the lace. It does look like it's got slight widow's peak, so I'm just going to get rid of that and cut what suits my hairline best. And yeah, this is what it looks like. I did add some mousse to give me some baby hairs and all that kind of good stuff. This is what the wig looks like once it's all on my head. As you can see, I'm really feeling myself. But yeah, this is what it looks like. I do think the lace is still slightly a bit too light, so I'm gonna go back in and tint it again. But yeah, this is basically what it looks like, and this is how I customize my lace front wigs and my lace frontals. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.